Since you may need to generate something to put inside your fruit, we're going to talk a little bit about Photoshop's AI features. What you can do here is make sure your contextual bar is available. If it's not, go to Window, down here to Contextual Taskbar. Okay, now come in and define the area that you want to put your fruit into. I'm just going to draw a circle here, and I'm going to tell it shiny red apple, and I'm going to say generate. And in a very short amount of time, you should have a shiny red apple sitting there. If you do this within an image, like put it right on a background, you can certainly, it will blend right into the background as well. So that looks like a pretty decent little shiny red apple. You can actually say photographic. Let's add some words if we don't like it. Photographic quality, shiny red apple. And that may give us a little more detail in the next group. Even without putting in new words, you will generate different, see, that's a little bit better. It will generate different images for you, and you can just keep going until you find one you like. But I would recommend changing your wording if you're not getting the right results each time. So that's pretty simple. You can generate an awful lot of things with AI. Just by clicking the generate, you can add to your size, your background, for instance, if you want to expand your background, that kind of thing. So just this little quick video on how to use AI if you need something to put inside your fruit this week.